G'day guys, Liam Fitzpatrick here. I'm out at Fitzroy Reef out of 1770. We've come to the southern corner here. We've been up here for a day already, but didn't do a lot of deep water stuff, chasing reds, and yeah, we've had enough of that. So we've come in shallow, come into the back of the reef. You can see it breaking over there probably. We're just gonna light jig, yeah, see what we can get. We're sort of gonna sound around, find some ledges and drop-offs, and just put the little jigs down. So let's see how we go.
Oh, he's all right. Come here. A 40 gram Extreme Anglers Australia Drift 2 jig. Crunched it. And he does not want to come up. This is a good fish. Oh no! Damn. Yep. Yes! Ah, he's not as big. I love a fat little jigging session. Just brings you to life.
I'm under the weather.
What are we in? 22 meters of water. We've tried all those deep spots. We've come back into the reef edge. Like it's breaking over in behind us. Someone's chucked their cut lunch over the side there. And there's fish in these shallows that love eating jigs. Yep, yeah, oh, yep, oh, what? Yes, oh, what? Yes, oh, what? What is that thing doing that? Look at the size of it. What is going on? It's a massive school of stuff. Look at this big, it's a whole school of fish. Look, there's like a school of, there's a massive school of trevally there. Oh, and his mate ate it. That just pulled out of him and his mate ate it. Oh, I hope the GoPro picks that up. That is crazy. They're just going for it in his mate's mouth. That is epic. Look at them all. They are fighting over it in his gob, man. Oh, that was cool. I couldn't figure out what I was seeing. It was just that massive silver, the whole school. Look at these fish trying to eat that jig off him. That's hectic. That was so cool.
There you go, we've come into the reef edge to do a bit of light jigging. We've spent most of the day out wide fishing deeper stuff and come in for a light jig. It's had this massive school of trevally fighting over the jig. I hope that camera picked it up. That was so crazy. That's awesome. It's going to be a hot little session.
Oh, what? How'd my jig get ripped off? It knocked my jig off. Out of the ring? Nah. That's weird, man. Broke the piece off. That'll do. Yep, straight up. Little bastard. Come on. Yep. Little guy. They're gorgeous. Yeah, there we go. Tusky. And the old Z-Man. Yep. Yeah, get out of there. Oh shit. I was feeding the line back out and he just crunched it. Yep. Yes, get out of there. Oh, he's in it. No, he's in it. Okay, he's out. Hussa. Oh, red bass. Crazy. Dirty little trigger. Little bloody Spanish flag. Look at. Whoa, that slammed it, man. Crunched it. Oh, it's a trouty. There we go, little trout.
Could you repeat that, please?
There we go, little trout.
First one falls victim to a little 5-inch Seaman. Nice! Yeah, he's gonna keep fishing light plastics on this reef edge. It's pretty cool. See if we get a few more.
Oh, this thing just sinks slow enough that you're kind of like, oh, am I getting down? Am I not? And then the slack line just rips out. You're like, yep. Yep. Oh, good one. Oh, he clicked a bit of drag. Just sinking it down on the slack line, just ripping it. It's either a good fish or a good lump of coral. Yeah, man. A good coronation. Pew!
Look at this little doggy. Look at the colours on it. That's gorgeous. That Z-Man on the reef, man. You can't beat these baits. They just handle all the pickers picking at them, and then the big guys just smash it. That's awesome.
Yep. Here we go. He's thumping away like a trevally. A red would be cool, but I think silver's gonna come up. Oh, it's sick. Yep. On that Viper Spike, 40 gram. Only trevally, but hey, on a light jig, why not? See a little bigger, this guy. He might be a little bigger. Already had his wheat bix. Oh! Just pulled off. Damn. Go get it. Yep. He's not thumping like the other one. Oh. That's on that 40 gram Viper Spike.
Yeah, it's getting a bit quiet after lunch. We just sat along the reef edge and found a school of trevally. So on the micro jigs, the light jigs, heap of fun. All right, that's the end of our day out at Fitzroy. The weather sort of stopped us getting to our deep spots we wanted to get to, but we just jigged and plastic around the reef edge and bent a few rods, got a couple fish, but none of that cool epic stuff. But I'll throw it all together, so hopefully you like that. If you did, give us a subscribe, you know, a like, comment, all that stuff. Cheers.